Hi, I am Dheeraj. Welcome to this tutorial about linear regression. In this video, I will be discussing how to implement linear regression machine learning model in 10 lines. After completing this tutorial, you will not only learn about linear regression algorithm, but also you will be able to train the model using Jupyter Notebook. Linear regression is one of the most fundamental and basic machine learning algorithm. It is used to show the relationship between two or more variables. The column values that are used to predict the output are called features or independent variables, and the column value that is predicted is called dependent variable or label. In this tutorial, we are going to predict the salary of a professional using his or her years of experience. Therefore, the independent variable or feature is the number of years of experience, and the dependent variable or label is salary. I will use the following simple steps to implement it. We will start by importing the required libraries. Then we will load the data in Pandas data frame. After that, we will visualize the data. Post that, we will separate the independent and dependent variables. Then we will split the data into train and test set. After that, we will define and train the linear regression model. Finally, we will predict a sample outcome using the trained model. Let's get started. Jupyter Notebook is up and running on your screen. In cell 1, we have imported required libraries like pandas and sklearn. Note that we are importing train, test, split, and linear regression as well from sklearn. In cell 2, we are starting to load the data. Data is stored in CSV file named linear regression data.csv. Then we are exploring the first 5 rows of the data in the same cell. In cell 3, we are separating the independent variable called years of experience and dependent variable called salary. The independent variable is stored as x and the dependent variable is stored as y. In cell 4, we split the data into train and test using sklearn train test split function. This is for preparing the training and testing data. In cell 5, we are creating the model instance and training it using training data xtrain and ytrain. Finally, in cell 6, we are predicting the value of a data point using the predict method. Therefore, we are able to train and predict linear regression model. We have come to the end of this tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.